For decades, Black America has been conditioned to believe that success means securing a good job. A 9-to-5 grind designed to build someone else's dream, not our own. Meanwhile, our communities are left struggling for even a fraction of the wealth we create, trapped in a cycle of dependency, grinding harder but gaining less. Our youth see the trap clearly. They've watched their parents and grandparents hustle for survival, working jobs that promise security but deliver stagnation. Some turn to the streets, music, or side hustles, not just for money, but for freedom. Freedom to move, create, and live life on their terms. To move around like bosses and moguls. But there's another path, one that doesn't demand survival over integrity or legacy. This is where the new Black Wall Street, the rise of the new Moors, comes in. Not as a plea for equality in a system designed to fail us, but as a battle plan for building an economic empire that is ours. It's not about begging for a seat at someone else's table. It's about building our own table, with autonomy, ownership, and power that can't be taken away. The blueprint for ownership. Within this new lifestyle, we're going to cover every strategy to build real wealth. 1. Education. Redefine learning as a tool for power. 2. Entrepreneurship. Create businesses that serve us, not exploit us. 3. Financial literacy. Master money to build generational wealth. 4. Global trade and technology. Leverage today's opportunities to dominate tomorrow. 5. Political influence. Claiming the power to shape our own policies. 6. Claiming ownership over our hip-hop culture and its lucrative economic system. Breaking free from dependency. Dependency ends here. If we don't claim our economic sovereignty, no one will hand it to us. This isn't just a dream, it's a blueprint for reclaiming power. This is about building wealth, freedom, and legacy that we can pass down, saying with pride, Black America owns this. The answers to rise Black America to greatness are here. Inside this blueprint, you'll find every tool you need to create lasting economic power. Grab your copy of our new powerful ebook, The New Black Wall Street, Sovereign Power, Wealth and Ownership for Black America today at primalmogul.com. Link is in the description. And if you're ready to join our movement of power players and moguls, you can be part of the Primal Mogul Brotherhood, a real community of leaders building Black power. Go to primalmogul.com and sign up to be a member of a secret brotherhood of kings. Link is in the description. This isn't just a moment, it's a movement of power, leadership, and ownership. The blueprint is in your hands. Let's rise as new Moors and claim the power that's always been ours. Welcome to the new Black Wall Street. Let's take over the game. Primal Mogul.